Hi, I'm Air Christopher, the town crier of the city of Hamilton. Yes. Town Crier was the verbal newspaper of the day. I was asked back in 1994 to officially announce the arrival of the Queen when she came into Hamilton. It was supposed to be for one day, and I've been there ever since then. So I've been in it for almost 30 years. My tours are the walking tour. And we don't do the normal front street walking tour. We do walking tour into the residential areas, which is the North Hamilton area. And that encompasses a lot of local history, an area where normally people wouldn't go walk. You can't really glimpse Bermudians unless you're right in the midst of it. Where a driving tour drives by, my walking tour, you meet and greet Bermudians on the street. But the uniqueness of Bermuda, the people. Bermuda is like a tree. It started in St. George's, that would be the seed of Bermuda. And then as it grows into the tree and then blossoms into its beauty, which is its people, then we need to tell people about the seed and then how we became to blossom. So the whole idea of the town crier is that connection of the seed growing into this beautiful tree that Bermuda has become.